Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2022 Blue Metallic Transit Connect with a Mini-T conversion. On the roof you find solar, over-the-air antenna, 10-speed reversible max air fan, a shore power plug, and a hitch. This vehicle came with the split rear door, which allows one half to be open at a time. The Mini-T is a little powerhouse. The solar helps charge the batteries, and the 2000-watt inverter means you can use your microwave off-grid or even like a CPAP machine in the evening. It has the microwave, TV, DVD player, power outlet, thermostatically controlled refrigerator, or you could set it to be a freezer, sink with a hand pump faucet. Inside you find a couch with underbed storage, front privacy curtain, also the front WeatherTech sunshades, WeatherTech floor mats, all Mini-Ts come with a starter cart kit, camping kit, which includes magnetic screens, shore power plug and cord, butane fuel, also a cook stove, and a portable toilet, and some totes. Check out available inventory online, www.dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!